literally in the shower. I don't even know what the alert is. Oh, it's a flood warning.
At 14 feet, water spills into Kashima Park in Logan and onto low-lying roads near Route 33 at some locations along the river. Also, water will be across State Route 93 just south of Logan. Low-land flooding also occurs in Rockbridge. Additional details. At 10 a.m. Thursday, the stage was 4.4 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage late this evening to a crest of 14.5 feet Friday morning. It will then fall below flood stage late Friday evening. Flood stage is 12 feet. Now for the official National Weather Service forecast for Central Ohio, including Columbus and vicinity. West of today, rain.
This is chaos.
Where? Mad River at Springfield.
Mad River.
At 9 feet. In addition to flooding along Lower Valley Lake between Old Mill Road and State Route 369. Spangler.
Yo, 369.
Exit to Medway at Route 600.
Such a kid. Oh my gosh. How did my Vixia battery go from 40 to 22?
4.1 feet.
Oh my god.
The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 9.9 feet early Friday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Friday morning. Flood stage
Mad River.
8 feet. Winter weather advisory stage is 8 feet.
Oh, there they go! Yeah!
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where? Portions of east central Indiana and west central Ohio, including the following counties. In east central Indiana, Fayetteville, Union Inn and Wayne. In west central Ohio, Greene, Montgomery, and Preble. When? Until 1 a.m. Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details: at 3:37 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain moving into the area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 1.5 inches are possible into this evening. Some locations that may experience flooding include Dayton, Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Richmond, Fairborn, Xenia, Trotwood, Miamisburg, Springboro, Vandalia, Connorsville, Englewood, Franklin, Eaton, Bellbrook, Moraine, Carlisle, Oakwood, and Yellow Springs. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. This is no.
Alright, flood warning for... Oh, there they go! my county.
Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where portions of central Ohio and west central
Mom,
Ohio,
this is
including
for our
the
county.
following
Come here.
counties
Come here.
in central Ohio: Fairfield, Fayette, Ohio, Franklin, Ohio, Hocking, Licking, Madison, and Pickaway. In west central Ohio, Clark. Flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring.
Oh man.
Additional details at 4:14 p.m. Radar indicated heavy rain moving
our
into
county.
the area. Flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly in the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has
Rocky,
fallen.
it's for our county.
Additional rainfall
This
of
is a miracle.
5 inches are possible into this evening. Some locations that may experience flooding include Columbus, Springfield, Newark, Dublin, Lancaster, Westerville, Reynoldsburg, Grove City, Upper Arlington, Gahanna, Sanborn, Hilliard, Pickerington, Washington Courthouse, Worthington, Circleville, Bexley, Heath, London, and Logan. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely.
As soon as I was looking at it.
This forecast. Where Little Mandy River at Spring Valley
I was like, what the
at 12 feet
fuck?
into low-lying areas close to the river near Spring Valley, Roxana, and east of Waynesville. Water floods Corwin Road as well as Waynesville and Middletown roads. Additional details at 4 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 9.1 feet. The river is expected to crest near 12.5
thing's
feet
really
on Friday morning.
Action.
Flood stage is 11 feet. Flood warning in effect.
I think I'm gonna have to put this radio out of its misery.
Minor flooding is forecast.
If you didn't hear in the last recording,
Bad River at Springfield.
the siren is
At 9 feet.
like
In
dead.
addition to flooding along lower
Sadly.
Valley Pike between Old Mill
We'll
Road
have
and
to look
State
for a
Route
replacement for it.
369.
But-
Spangler Road is flooded, and the I-70 westbound exit to that way at Route 675 is closed.
Sad death.
Additional details at 9:30 a.m. Thursday the 11th.
Why do they take so long to issue things? There they go.
Flood warning in effect from this evening through Friday morning. Minor flooding is forecast for Raccoon Creek near Grenville. At 15.5 feet, portions of Route 539 are flooded with water breaching the bike path on the west side of Grenville. Water will approach Grenville Square apartments between the bike path and West Broadway, as well as the wastewater treatment plant and the operational building of the Grenville Water Plant. This crest compares to the flood of
That's
January
bad.
2005. At 5 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 10.2 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage this evening to a crest of 15.3 feet late this evening. It will then fall below flood stage early Friday morning. Flood stage is 13 feet. The preliminary urban area and small stream flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. Where a portion of east central Ohio, including the following counties: Belmont, Carroll, Columbiana, Coshocton, Germany, Harrison, Jefferson, Ohio, Muskingum, Noble, and Tuscarawas. When, until 12:45 a.m. Friday flood prone locations is imminent or occurring. Additional details at 6:42 p.m. Doppler radar indicated heavy rain. Flooding is
Dude, it took them long
or
enough to
expected
tone
begin
that.
shortly in the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1 inch of rain has fallen.
6:42 p.m.
Up to 1 inch are possible.
That's when they issued it.
Some
It's
locations that
7:30.
will experience flooding include
7:30.
Steubenville, New Philadelphia, Dover, Salem,
Dude,
Cambridge, Columbiana, Ridgeville,
It's 7:30.
Barnesville, Cadiz,
They issued at 6:42.
Caldwell, Freeport, Calcutta, Wintersville,
I can't stand Pittsburgh, man.
http://
Oh my god. Not again. http://www.
Flood turn
Whatever.
around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. The stage was 7.8 feet. Flood warning in effect from late tonight through Friday evening. West, minor flooding is forecast. Where? Licking River in Ohio below Newark. When? From late tonight to late Friday evening. Impacts. At 15 feet, water is nearly 1 foot deep on Sleepy Hollow Road, portions of Nathaniel Avenue and Southeast Summit Road. Additionally, water encroaches areas near Caterbury Trail Mobile Home Community near Licking View Drive and 40th Street. Additional details. At 9 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 12.5 feet. The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Friday morning to a crest of 15.4 feet Friday morning. It will then fall below flood stage Friday afternoon.
Is this going to be a double header?
14 feet. Here is the river flood advisory. Flood warning in effect from late tonight through Friday.
Who sent it?
West, minor flooding is forecast. Where? North Fork Licking River at Newark Main Street.
What?
When? From late tonight to Friday
Oh, was
afternoon.
it that thing that they toned,
Impact
like...
at 16 feet. Minor
Oh,
flooding
nah.
in areas near the North Fork continues with backwater flooding into the
9:21.
lowest parts of the Owens Corning
It's
property.
10:50.
Flooding continues at Wildcat Mark. Additional details. At 8:15 p.m. Thursday, the stage was 12.4
Bro,
feet.
what?
The river is expected to rise above flood stage early Friday morning to a crest of 16 feet Friday morning. It will then fall below flood stage late Friday morning. Flood stage is 15 feet. Record daily maximum rainfall set at Columbus, Ohio. A record this weekend, even after the heavy rain ends. Spotter activation. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall is expected. At stages near 17 feet, some areas of Licking View Drive near Livingston Court are flooded. The soccer and baseball fields at Olympic Park are also flooded. At 11:06 p.m., the river stage at the South Fork Licking River at Heath is 15.9 feet. Minor flooding is forecast. The river is expected to rise to a crest of 16.9 feet early Friday morning. It will fall below flood stage later Friday morning. Flood stage is 16 feet. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Here is a hazardous weather outlook. This afternoon. Flood stage is 880.0 feet. portion of west central Ohio, including the following county: Greene. When, until 6 p.m. Friday. Impacts: flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations is imminent or occurring. Numerous roads remain closed due to flooding. Low water crossings are inundated with water and may not be passable. Expect many areas of slow-moving or standing water. Additional details: at 9:59 a.m., local law enforcement reported flooding and high water lingering across the warned area. Between 1.5 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Some locations that may experience flooding include Kettering, Beaver Creek, Huber Heights, Fairborn, Xenia, Bellbrook, Yellow Springs, Wright-Patterson Air Force Base, Cedarville, Jamestown, Wilberforce, New Jasper, Spring Valley, Dollarsville, Clifton, Centerville, Old Town, Trebonne, Greene County Airport, and John Bryan State Park. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. To report flooding, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Flood warning in effect until